before I go for to the analysis, I'm going to take you for last week analysis I did regarding to BTC. So I'm going to take you to that video. Just watch to the end of that video before I will not take you for today analysis and also show you what the chart have for us against this week we are going to enter. So make sure you watch that video and spend your time, concentrate, watch the video, understand all the theory I mentioned, because there was a position whereby I want the market to go up and come down before I take my buy, something like that. In as much I've upload the video on my channel here, but I still want to draw the attention to you so that you will also follow up and know what I'm doing every week on the channel. So guys, make sure you watch that video to the end before I will come back for the today analysis for next week. Right now in this video, you can see as of Friday, I'm coming. As of Thursday, this was where I wanted to buy BTC at this zone. So it has given a recent low at this bar, went up again, came down. So I was expecting a very massive move at this zone, because it's about going to create me a lower double bottom. It has already started forming a chart pattern we call I don't know what's wrong with this. It has given me this. So like I said earlier, I was positioning to take a buy here, but unfortunately the market proved me wrong and came all the way to this zone here. You can see what happened at that place. See what happened there. The double button I was waiting at the other side came here and formed. And it's so frustrating that the thing came during the weekend, not during the day, because I will have also cash off this chart pattern and also make money on this current move that is going up. So nevertheless, it's not yet too late for us to make money within the week. As you guys can see on BTC, we are still on a downtrend. My next position I'm trying to figure out here now is BTC going up to this place. From here, let me drop this, go up to this zone, give me something like this. I think it's over. Let me drop this, give me something like this. Before I continue to the downside, because that's the only thing I'm seeing at this particular chart now. Guys, take note, the only place I'm projecting to sell BTC again is at this one. So if you are trading BTC, just project to take your sell at this zone. Let's check what is happening on 1 hour time frame. All right, you can see the same projection we did on 4 hour time frame. So guys, take note, this is what I'm seeing on BTC. My next position I'm going to take is from this zone. my sell position. If probably eventually this market, because of this bearish candle I'm seeing here, if eventually this market come down to this zone, you know that I will be taking my buy at this zone again. So I have two options there. If eventually this come down to this zone, I'm going to buy BTC at this zone here before waiting for a sell, because BTC is still going to go down. BTC is still going to go down. So guys, take note on BTC. I've given you my signal, so you know what to do. You know what to do. All right, so you finished watching the video. So right now I'm going to take you to the chart and also show you the confirmation that I myself also took that trade on that analysis I make last week. You know, at that video I told you that if, because of that bearish candle I saw at that top there, if the market come down again, there is a possibility that there's going to be a buy before the market will start selling from that recent resistance I draw at the top there. So if at, in as much I took the buy bet, I didn't make a video, you know, to show you guys there. I didn't make a video regarding to that buy. So I just leave that buy, but I took that buy because I know the market is going to like hit there and also go to that resistance line I draw at the top before going to the down again. So right now I'm going to take you to the present chart of today weekend, because today is actually Saturday. I'm going to take you for today weekend, then show you the process, and also you see some confirmation that show that I myself also took that trade. So let's go to the chart. Let me give a little explanation and also show you my forecast and what I'm saying for this week we are going to enter. So guys, for you to be updated in my signal group, I have a forex group, a telegram channel I created. That's where I upload the, that's where I pass information, you know, to update you guys what I'm projecting, what I'm seeing at that particular time. So if you want to like stay updated on my trade, when I take a buy, when I take a sell, you can join to that telegram channel and also stay updated on my free signal update. Hello guys, welcome back again once again. So without wasting much of your time, I'm going to be only analyzing BTC. I'm going to be only analyzing BTC on the trade. So you saw from the previous video I made, like the one you just watched, as of last week, regarding to the signal I dropped last week, I told you guys that, let me delete all this first so that you will get what I'm trying to say. All right, so before I proceed, let me give you some few drawing, because this was what was taken last week. I think with this one, okay, then what again, okay, with this one it's okay. I think that's all. Yeah, that's all. So as of last week, oh, I forgot something, sorry, very important, because a cash out the trade. Yeah. It was a 1 to 3, so I cash out the trade. So as of last week, if you can remember, last week I told you guys that As of last week, this market was at this zone, I think somewhere here. So I was, waiting for a sell at this zone when the market was at this particular place here. So on 4 hour time frame on that day, there was a bearish candle that was popping down here. And I told you guys that in as much I'm waiting for a sell at this zone, I told you guys that if this bearish candle come all over to this line, I'm going to be buying BTC at this zone. Fortunately, that was what happened, and I cashed up this buy. I'm going to be popping up the screenshot of the buy on this trade at the side of this video. I cashed up this buy from here, in as much I was focusedly waiting for a sell at this zone. So when the market went down here, I quickly check on my 1 hour time frame, 30 minutes, and I take this buy all over to this place before waiting again for a bounce to this place before taking up this sell down to this place. You see, everything just went exactly the way I analyzed it. It now look as if I'm the one that is controlling the market. No, it's just knowledge, simple knowledge that has already spent a lot of time sacrifice to learn. You understand? So as it is now, we are now on weekend and today is actually Saturday. Let's just go back. Let's go to the present day and see what we have for this new week. I'm trying to delete this. All right. So today is actually Sunday. As of Saturday, when the market was at this place, in as much I was waiting for a sell at this zone again, but I was still waiting to see what is going to happen at this place because I was just waiting for a clear confirmation. The market has already bounced here again, went down here. Let me draw this thing. We came here, bounce again, bounce this resistance level, came down, touch it again, but it break out with a weak rejection, came down again before breaking out again with a full bullish candle. This was what gave me a confirmation that it's time for me to buy BTC. In as much I was waiting for a sell on this, I was waiting for a full bearish candle. Why? Because whenever the market hit up on a resistance zone or a support zone, this is not like a trend line when you will have full confirmation that whenever the trend line come to the third touch of that particular trend line is going to bounce back. This is not a trend line, this is a resistance zone. So it does not happen like this on the third touch. Most especially, sometimes it do happen, but I always stay careful because there's a probability chance that it's not going to go down. So that is why I haven't taken any sell on this particular thought. So I was waiting for a clear confirmation at this zone before taking up my next entry, which it has already given me a clear clue that BTC is going to start moving to the upside because this bullish confirmation has already given me what I want for this trade. So when the market broke to the upside, I was waiting for a little retracement to this particular zone before getting my full confirmation for this buy. I'm already on this trade already. I already taken out the buy already on the trade. This, when the market was at this low, I was waiting for a break. Then this retracement gave me a clear confirmation to buy this. So this is what I'm expecting the market to do for me. So if you are not still on the trade, you still have a very clear opportunity for you to still be on this buy setup. All you have to do, just wait a little for a breakout from this recent high. Just wait for a breakout on that recent high before the market open. Just wait for something like this. But for me, if you are on my Telegram channel, you will catch up this trade at this particular zone because I'm already on the trade already. I took off this buy at this zone. It's already flowing. It's already floating in profit already. Yeah, it's already floating profit already. So for those that have not still entered a buy for this BTC, all you have to do, just wait for a little breakout on a 4-hour time frame before going to 1-hour time frame to cash up this buy. Just wait for a breakout, then retest, or maybe a bullish breakout. After the end of that bullish breakout, you can take your buy for BTC on the trade. So guys, that's all for BTC. And another thing I'm still looking at, in as much the trade is already moving and market have not seen open on GBP USD, it's a very massive sell on USD JPY. Unfortunately for me, I have not still entered on the trade, but I still have to wait till the market open. Immediately the market open, I'm going to be taking my sell on GBP USD. I'm going to be taking my sell immediately because once the market open, there's always this kind of a gap. I don't usually understand that kind of a thing. There might be a very bullish candle at the top here, something like this. You will see this kind of a gap. This usually happen whenever the market want to open for a new week. Sometimes you might see something like this. That is why I'm so worried for this, because I didn't enter the trade on time. For me, what I'm seeing on this is a sell. GBP USD, sell GBP USD. So that's the only two I'm seeing. Yeah, USD JPY, no, nothing is clear for me here. GBP AUD, nothing is also clear for me here. So I don't want to force any trade on this. I will only be going on GBP USD sell and BTC USD buy. So that's all for today. Let's see what this week has to give us regarding to these two signal I drop right now.